Absolutely unbelievable. I cannot believe the video that's been sent to me. My name's Alan Hart, and today I've got some shocking footage to show you from a few jobs that subscribers have sent in. This first one, I've never seen nothing like it. This is unbelievable. Let's go and have a look. That video was sent in from a subscriber. If you've got any videos, any shocking videos like that, then please send them in. So what's going on there? The gas had been piped to, the gas had been piped in speedfit, in plastic pipe. Unbelievable. I've never ever seen that before. It is a first for me, seeing something as bad as that. I mean, what can you say? Absolutely shocking. Also, even if it had been in copper, it were undersized. So if you have a look on the boiler, so this is for trainees now, but if you have a look on the boiler outlet is, or the boiler inlet for the gas is 22 millimeter. What that would normally mean is that the gas coming into it would also need to be 22 millimeter. That's something you would need to check, but normally you'd update it in 22 millimeter pipe back to the meter, obviously making sure you've got your correct gas size, maximum 1 millibar drop over the pipe work, etc. Yeah, absolutely shocking. Please add some comments below, let me know what you think to that. I actually can't believe what I've just seen, if I'm honest. Yeah, let me show you some more. This one just shows you a leaking flue, so it's a badly installed flue, and also it's not supported in the boxing. This one was called out to a water leak and all the ceiling was all damaged. And this is the condensate pipe. It'd been done in copper, and as we all know, you cannot use copper pipe for a condensate, it rots the pipe. And as you can see here, it's rotted the copper away. Really bad, to be honest. This is just part of it, but it done it in a few different places as well. If we have a look at boiler, the installation, almost definitely a DIY installation. Absolutely shocking installation. Good boiler, just shocking installation. Flue's not sealed either. It's got a big hole. That left hand side there is just a gap straight to outside. It's not sealed at all. This is a plumbing fitting that was leaking, and if you have a look closely there, the red part of it is on the wrong way around, so that should be near the nut. If we have a look at this is another DIY badly installed boiler. The PRV in the middle isn't connected, doesn't go to outside, and it's just in general badly installed. On the left we've got a work of art for a radiator that's been installed, and I've got a boiler work of art on the right. So we've got some shocking stuff there, some really shocking stuff. If you've got any questions, please ask them in the comments below, and all I can say is please do not DIY with gas. It's just not worth it. And if your partner or somebody who you know wants to do some DIY with gas, please just stop them. The jobs, I went to one the other day where a customer took case off and the boiler was leaking out carbon monoxide. If they'd have run the boiler, it could have been fatal for them. So please do not DIY with gas. Rant over. Thanks for watching. This next bit now, I've just got a little bit on end now, just for fun, just for a giggle. This bit. I made a comment about electricians Yeah, I'll show you. This guy is an electrician, so I'll show you this.
It's alright, Al, it's the same piece of rubbish he's been moving for the last 10 minutes. He's missed all over there, but he has got that little pile together. Look at that, Al, just for you. Say hi.